Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can create shake effect in Premiere Pro. So firstly, open up your Premiere Pro. So as you can see, I already have a video and a music in my timeline. So now what you have to do for creating a shake effect is just simply go to the project panel over here and create a adjustment layer just by clicking at the new item over here, then adjustment layer, then press OK. Now, you simply drag and drop the adjustment layer onto your timeline and place over there where you want to start the shake effect to begin. Let's say, preferably on the beat. Now zoom in to the timeline just by holding Alt and scrolling up. So after zooming in, you have to search for an effect called directional blur. So just simply search blur in the effects panel over here and scroll down and drag and drop directional blur on the adjustment layer. Then click the adjustment layer, then go to effects control and make the blurriness to 30. Now cut the layer for every frame until you want the shake effect to get over. Then just simply delete the rest of the part because you will not need that. Now delete every frame which is in the middle, just like this. And now if I start the video, there will be a nice shaking effect. Let me show you. So as you can see, there is a shaking effect. And now in order for you to duplicate the shaking effect, what you can do is just simply again scroll down, select all of them and just hold Alt and drag it until the next beat comes. Which is right over here. And another one over here. Again, just simply hold, then select and drag it. And that will create the shake effect for multiple places. Now if I play this again. As you can see, there is the shaking effect. So that's it. And thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.